luxury SUV market just witnessed an absolute execution, and Rolls-Royce should be sweating bullets. While competitors are aggressively downsizing their engines and slapping on heavy hybrid batteries to chase emission regulations, Mercedes has done the unthinkable. They just dropped the 2026 to 27 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV, and nestled deep beneath its massive illuminated chrome grille sits a dying breed of pure automotive royalty. A handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 powerhouse packing 621 horsepower. This is not just another status symbol for the ultra-wealthy. It is a direct declaration of war on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the Bentley Bentayga. But do not let the breathtaking design and the staggering price tag fool you. Behind this fortress of absolute opulence lies a hidden, deeply frustrating engineering flaw that Mercedes desperately hopes buyers will overlook. A secret we will fully uncover by the end of this video. When you approach this rolling palace, the presence is nothing short of hypnotic. The signature two-tone paintwork seamlessly splits the body, requiring over a week of hand finishing by master craftsmen before it ever leaves the factory floor. Every single inch of this machine screams excessive wealth, from the solid forged 21-inch wheels with floating center caps to the subtle dark chrome accents of the legendary Night Series package. Step inside, and you are no longer in a motor vehicle. You are lounging inside a private jet. Virtually every single surface, from the floor mats to the headliner, is slathered in ultra-premium Manufacture Napa leather. The rear cabin features two individual executive captain chairs that recline to a near-flat angle, complete with calf massagers, rapid heating, and dedicated cooling. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the absolute peak of luxury engineering, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our breakdown of the world's most exclusive machines. While you are at it, drop a like on this video to help push this monstrous V12 out to more car enthusiasts across the globe. Back in that rear sanctuary, Mercedes has completely reimagined what an executive workspace looks like. Nestled right between the two rear passengers is a built-in refrigerated compartment specifically calibrated to hold your champagne at the perfect temperature, alongside a pair of custom silver-plated champagne flutes. Up front, the driver faces the futuristic MBUX superscreen, a massive wall of high-definition glass that stretches across the entire dashboard, powered by an integrated artificial intelligence virtual assistant. When you hit the start button, that massive twin-turbo V12 fires up with a whisper, delivering 664 pound-feet of pure, unadulterated torque. The acceleration is completely effortless, launching this multi-ton fortress from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds with a level of mechanical smoothness that feels less like driving and more like floating on a cloud. This brings us straight to the magic trick holding this entire experience together: the brand new, highly intelligent Airmatic suspension system. By using predictive cameras to scan the road surface hundreds of times per second, the suspension actively adjusts each individual wheel before you ever hit a pothole, completely flattening out the worst pavement imaginable. Combined with 10-degree rear axle steering that allows this massive yacht to navigate tight city streets with the turning radius of a compact hatchback, it represents the absolute pinnacle of current automotive engineering. Yet, for all its unparalleled engineering triumph, this $500,000 masterpiece hides a shocking truth that could break the ownership experience for anyone who actually intends to use it. In their absolute obsession to maximize passenger legroom and deliver the most dramatic reclining rear seats on the planet, the engineers stretched the cabin space so far backward that they systematically destroyed the rear cargo hold. Despite its gargantuan physical footprint, the trunk capacity of this ultimate SUV is virtually non-existent, choked down further by the massive housing for the rear refrigerator. If you plan to travel with more than 2 standard carry-on suitcases, your security detail will literally have to drive a separate vehicle behind you just to carry your luggage. For a machine designed to be the ultimate expression of long-distance grand touring, this massive packaging oversight stands as a glaring, deeply ironic compromise that forces the world's wealthiest buyers to choose between absolute physical comfort and basic everyday utility.